welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to be doing my what's in my backpack. As you can see, this is my backpack. This is a Under Armour hustle sport backpack, as you can see. If you saw my school supply haul, I told you I was going to get a gym sport backpack, but that gym sport backpack was a little too small for me. It's just a little too small. This is the backpack I got. It's just black, has a bungee cord, and it has 2 compartments. This is the first one up here. It's not that big. And there's one on the top back here. This bag retails for $45, but I got mine for like $33.70 because they're like on sale everywhere. I got mine on Amazon, but the one I have got these colors out of stock. So I'm gonna leave the one on the Under Armour website down below. It's the same price, $33.75. So we're gonna start off with this front pocket. I have like, this is like random things in here, but I have a couple tampons, all sizes, regular, light, and super. These are just in here if I'm feeling lazy not to go in my emergency kit and grab them because I be feeling lazy sometimes. So I have these in there just in case I feel lazy to go into my whole bag and get my emergency kit if I like bleed unexpectedly. So yeah. Next I got this. This is for my teacher. Kimmy, if you're watching this, click off the video or go to this timestamp. But I got the whole thing that just fell out. Lord have mercy. This is ghetto. It's a necklace for her because she is like my bonus mom. She's my second mom. I wouldn't let y'all read that, but that's too much to read. So yeah, this is supposed to be her little birthday present because her birthday is August 1st. So yeah, I have this along with the card. So yeah, I think I'm gonna take this out of that pack. I might give it to her on open house. I don't know. Because open house is July 31st. Next, I have a random pencil in there because it might be like teacher might say something and you don't feel like grabbing in there. Grab a pencil and you just grab them out of here. So yeah, I have this pencil, as you can see. Next, I got some bobby pins because this hair never want to sit down and be cooperative sometimes. I have bobby pins on my hair right now. You can see one right here. But yeah, I just have some bobby pins and like a little travel case. So next, I got my calculator, my crusty calculator from last year. Has my name on it too. It's all smushed off though. But this is a calculator I have. It's the Casio FX-11 5ES Plus. This one, as you can see. So yeah, this will work well for 10th grade. Last thing in this packet is blank index cards, which I can just study with or whatever. So yeah, but yeah, that's it in this compartment. Moving on to the main compartment, I'm gonna like do a B-roll shot of what it looks like in here. So yeah, but it's like a lot. You can kind of see it from like right here, but I'm gonna do a B-roll shot. So yeah. Oh, but before I go over here, I'm gonna show you what's in my side pocket because I forgot about that. I have this perfume. I got this from Burlington today. It's by the brand English Laundry, I think. Yeah, English Laundry. And it's it's cocoa vanilla drop. That's what the scent is called. It smells really good. It smells kind of like cocoa butter and also vanilla. So yeah, if you can find this somewhere online, I recommend it. But I don't know where you can get this. Like, I don't know where you can get this at all. But it's what it looks like. It's a little lipstick on it. I tried to take it off earlier, but it didn't come off. Right, so yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna show you my emergency kit, like to make like a makeshift thing. So things I have new in here, I don't know if it's, there we go. I bought me some flushable wipes. You can see they're just by the Up and Up brand. And then I think that's it that's in here for right now. Yeah, that's it, I believe. Oh no, I have some tissue, but it's all the way at the bottom. I'm not about to grab it there. But it's just like a pocket tissue. This is my emergency kit. If you want to see basically what's in here, go watch my emergency kit video, my last video. I'm gonna link it down below as always. Next, I have my pencil case. I have a lot of stuff in my pencil case, like a whole lot of stuff. Like, it's very, very full. I'm gonna try to do this as quick as possible because there's a lot. Let me just get started. But I have some highlighters. I just got these today, so yeah, they're brand new. They're just the Sharpie highlighters. They're the regular ones, they're not the clear ones. They're like, yeah, but they don't open like this. That's what they look like. My mom got a big old pack and I split it between my older sister because I need highlighters and I always like use them for some reason. Next I got these whiteout pens. I don't like the whiteout pens or any of these kinds of pens after that, but it'll work as whiteout. I don't know if I anyway. But it's just the whiteout pen. You're supposed to like shake it and squeeze it or something like that. Yeah, squeeze and shake. And then you squeeze it. Oh no, you squeeze it and then I think this is affected. This don't even when you write,
no, you can write on something.
It's nothing coming out.
No, write on something and it'll pop up.
I ain't got time for this, but just big one out. I like the correction tape, but it's not good. These are the scissors that I took from Kimmy because she didn't want them. And I have a big old glue stick. I have a protractor. I also have a ruler in here, which I'm not about to get out because that's too much effort. But I have a protractor for geometry. I have some pencils in here. I'm not about to take them all out. But I have some pencils that look just like this and other colors. I have some peppermint pens. These are the Ink Joy gel pens. But they're just black pens. I don't got no colors. I got lead. I got colored pencils. I got a whole bunch of yellow pencils. How many do I have? Like 30 something in here because I have 12 pack and then 24 pack. Then I have these kind of pencils. They just like, they look like pens with their pencils. And I have, you can't even tell, but I have like erasers. So yeah. That's what's in this pencil case, basically. Whew. Next, I have this little journal thing. It says AIM. If you don't know what AIM is, it's like a Kojic event, Church of God in Christ. Many people at my dad's church, it's like a bag, like a drawstring bag. And this came in it, so I just put it in my backpack. It's just a little journal. I can write stuff in there. I can use it as like a little diary if I want to, but it's just black and it says AIM on it. It says Grand West Virginia jurisdiction, if you can't tell. Then I got this planner. If y'all someone could supply haul, you see that. I'm not gonna show y'all the front part because of my phone number in it, but I wrote a scripture that says I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Yeah, with strength. Whichever way you want to say it. It's sometimes people say who, but the scripture, the version I have is the King James version that says which strengthens me. But yeah, it's just a time if you can't tell. Because my phone number. But yeah, so this printer belongs to us. My name and my email and my phone number. Important dates. I'm not gonna go through the whole thing because if you need, y'all need to send my school ball. My school link down below. This stuff. But I already started using it because I was on a couple days. I forgot all my something. But yeah, it's stuff like that. And this is like the next one like that. But yeah, got this planner, super cute. Next, I have a black composition notebook, simple 80 pages. This is actually a whiteboard notebook, which I hate whiteboard, but I'll live. You can tell. I'll live. It'll be hard. It's not the end of the world. I'm still gonna use it. And then I have a purple one. Like the majority of things are gonna come out my backpack because I don't need all this stuff in here. Because some of this stuff is for next semester. And then I have this blue one. And then I have this alien one. I hope you can see this one. Alien one, this alien green one. And then I have this 5-star 1 subject notebook. This is like an extra notebook. This is like an extra notebook just in case I need it for something. And it's just this cute little marble design. I should have got the white one because I had the white one initially, then I got this design. But And this is college wood. The only other notebook that's college wood is the blue composition notebook. Next, I have this folder. I got this from Dollar Tree. I don't think I can link this down below because I got this like a long time ago. But you know, it's a pocket. It's a palm folder or a bright folder, whichever you want to call it. And then I got this black folder, just like Christmas. And inside it has regular colorful paper, and then this side has graph paper. And this is the 5-star reinforced one. So those are the only ones that's fine. They didn't have the regular pedicure ones that they usually do, but that's fine. But yeah, this is the black folder. And then I have a black binder. This is a 1/2-inch binder because I'm not trying to bring a full big old 1-inch binder. Not at all. But this is a 1/2-inch binder, and this is for band. And then it has sheet protectors in there to put my sheet music in. I think I put these upside down. Oh no, I did. I put them up. Gotta make sure all of them are up because I don't want to be upside down. So yeah, but I have sheet protectors in there to put sheet music in. So yeah, this is the black binder I have. And then in here, as you can see, I have some pencils right here. These are like easy grab pencils or pencils I can give out because somebody can be like, oh, I got you quickly on my backpack and be like, here. So yeah, I have that in here. I also have a pack of sticky notes because your girl needs them to remind me to do things. And then I have a deodorant. This is just a daily one because I sweat like no other for some reason, and I plan on doing sports as well. So yeah, and then I have a little Vaseline. This is not the best thing that's in our emergency kit. It's just a random one I have. There's not even much in there, but it's whatever. The last thing I have in here is my laptop. As you can see, my laptop in here. That is all that is in my backpack for my 2023 to 24 school year as a sophomore. I can't believe I'm saying those words, but I'm a sophomore, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe down below, and comment down below what grade you're going in, because I'm interested to know what grade y'all going into. So yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.